Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy TikTok Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how I made this 2021 recap video that's trending on TikTok. It's super easy to make and I love getting to look back on all the fun I had this year. I have several other TikTok tutorials that I will link below. If you haven't seen those, make sure to check them out. And I love staying up to date with all of the latest trends, so make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram. And let's get into it. Okay, so you can make this trend using the TikTok app, but I personally love using the InShot app. InShot is free and it's just my favorite app to use when I edit videos. I'm gonna show you how I personally made it. You don't have to do it this way, but these are the steps that I took to make this trend. I'm gonna open the TikTok app and I'm gonna go to my page. And I already made this video, so I'm gonna go to that video. So I'm gonna save this video to my phone, because this is the video that I'm gonna extract the sound from. So whatever video has the sound that you want to use in your recap, just make sure to save that to your phone from the TikTok app. Next, I'm gonna open the InShot app. I'm gonna press on video. I'm gonna press on new. So for my video, I had one video and like 89 pictures, but you can do it however you want. You can have however many videos and however many pictures you want, but the trends that I saw had one video in the beginning and then the rest were all pictures. So do it however you want to do it. There's no rules, but that's what I did. So you're gonna select the video you want, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you have video, photo, and all. So next I'm gonna click on photo, and I'm gonna select all the photos I want. The more pictures, the better, because they're gonna go by so fast. So again, select however many pictures you want. And I already made this trend, so this is just an example. But these are most of the pictures that I used. Okay, boom. I'm gonna press the green check mark, and that's gonna load everything into the InShot app. So you just have to be a little patient, okay, because it's a lot of content. I also have a video showing you guys how I removed the TikTok watermark so you can repurpose it for other platforms like Instagram, Pinterest. I'll have that linked below as well. Make sure to check it out. I also use the InShot app to do that. Okay, now that everything's loaded, perfect. I am just going to get the part of the video that I want for the beginning. So I'm gonna press split. I'm gonna delete the first part of the video and I'm gonna split that, delete that. Okay, awesome. Next, I'm gonna press on the music button here, and I'm gonna press on the tracks button. And then I'm gonna press extract audio from video. All right, and then this is why we saved that video from the TikTok app with the audio that we wanted, because I'm gonna extract it right now and pull it into the InShot app so I can know where I want to place things and where I want to make transitions. Okay, so I'm gonna press on the video right here. You can see how long the sound is. I'm gonna press the check mark to extract the audio, and then press the play button so you can hear it. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not gonna let you hear the sound, but from here you can play it. So, all right, so I'm gonna press the check mark. So it's Adele singing, and when she says, "You make me feel," like right when the beat kind of drops, that's where you wanna cut it. So just listen for that. You can cut it anywhere, but this is how I did it, right when she says, "'Cause you make me feel," the feel part. Right when she starts to say feel, that's where I'm gonna split the video, and then it's gonna go into all of the pictures. So let me listen to it. Let's see here. Perfect, okay. So I'm gonna press the split button. I'm gonna press delete. So next, I'm gonna press on this picture here, and I am going to slide this over. I'm gonna press on the canvas, and I am going to press on zoom. I want the picture to fill the screen and not have this blurred background on the top and the bottom. So to do that, all I'm gonna do is press on the full button right here in the zoom tab, boom, and then it's going to fill the screen for you. And then instead of pressing the check mark on the right, which will just apply it to this photo, I'm gonna press the check mark on the left, which is gonna apply it to every photo that you have. Okay, so I am going to press the check mark on the left, and then it says ratio zoom, apply to all, yes. That way you don't have to go in individually and apply it to every single picture, because that will take forever. So apply to all. Perfect. Then I'm gonna press the check mark on the right. Okay, so see now if I scroll, because I'm sure most of the pictures didn't fill the screen completely either, but now that I'm scrolling, they all do. All right, so next, all I'm gonna do is press on the picture again. I'm gonna press on duration. So this part is completely up to you, but from what I've been seeing with the trend, because it's 1 year, you wanna fit as many memories as you can into this video, and I believe the song is only about 12 seconds. So the more pictures, the better. I'm gonna drag this down to 0.1 seconds. I'm gonna press the double check marks on the left. Duration, apply to all, yes, okay, because that's what we want. And as you can see, each clip has been shortened to 0.1 seconds, which is great because we're not gonna be here all day editing that. Now from here, it seems a little tricky to edit anything if you need to do that, but all you have to do is zoom in with your fingers to have a better workspace. So now I can navigate and scroll through easier. It's not as small, so you're gonna press this download button in the upper right hand corner, and you're gonna press save, and this is gonna save it to your pictures. And then from here, you can go into the TikTok app and upload it from there. One more important thing to note, when you're uploading this into TikTok, you wanna make sure that you're turning the volume down of your original video. That way you don't get a little echo, and I'm gonna show you what I mean right now. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the TikTok app, and I'm gonna press on this video where I used this sound, or I can go into my favorites and find it myself. But since I know I used it in this video, I'm gonna press on this video. I'm gonna press on the sound in the lower right-hand corner. Use this sound. I'm gonna press on the upload button in the lower right-hand corner, and then I'm gonna press on that video, and then I'm gonna press next. Okay, so this is just a draft. This isn't the real thing because I didn't finish it, right? So I'm gonna press on the volume button on the side, and I'm going to lower the original sound all the way to 0. That way there's no echo, because if you don't do this, chances are there's gonna be an echo, okay? You just want music from the TikTok app playing, or after you're done making the video, you can delete the sound in the InShot app, and then you don't have to do this step. So anyways, I'm gonna press the check mark. And it's as simple as that. I love this trend. Let me know in the comments below what kind of TikTok tutorials you guys want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.